Hi, it's Chrissy from Product Label Queen back with another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download a print-ready copy of your label. If you click Share, then select Download, use the drop-down menu to go to PDF, which is best for printing. You'll notice that Canva has made some upgrades to their download. Digital is here, but we don't want digital, we want print. And the color profile has RGB, but we're going to click the drop down menu and put CMYK, which is best for printing. As you all know, RGB is for screen display and CMYK is for printing. What we're going to do is we're going to click on the advanced settings. We're going to click flatten PDF. Now, if your printer requires crop marks and bleed, you can select this one, but I don't necessarily always require that unless you have any type of elements that are around the edges. But we don't have that issue because we designed with print in mind. So we're going to click download. And once we download the PDF, we are all done. And I'm going to open it up so you can kind of see what it looks like. As you can see, when we designed, we had a margin area, so there's no elements that are actually on the edges. I hope this is helpful. Let me know in the comments.